that you love me, even if it's fake, 'cause I don't.
Channel. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ayan. Pupunta po kami guys sa St. Matthew's College kung saan ay mag-inquire po kami doon para sa aking anak na mag-senior high for grade 11 and 12. So, update ko na lang po kayo guys sa aking video mamaya. Ganyan sa public. May ampid nga. Yan, mag-ampid na to eh. Ito, ampid na to.
Tanda mo na yung Welcome Montalban, malapit ka na dun.
New music.
Post Malone assembling the crew. Yeah, the Motley crew to be completely exact. And hey,
Ay, mali.
really
Sa isang
good
skinita pala.
music for that comeback. Brand new music that you guys enjoy. You
Pala.
check it out. We're uploading more content on our YouTube channel, so go ahead and check us out right there. Republica FM1. Republica, awesome podcast, awesome content for you guys to browse, for you guys to check out, for you guys to enjoy. Satisfaction guaranteed. We got the guest show and Coldplay coming up in the next 10 minutes. Only on Republica FM.
Pero tandaan mo dyan, malapit ka na. Yung ano na yan.
St. Matthew's College. Ayan. Ito po yung school niya, guys. Ito po yung magiging school ng anak ko. So, ayan. For interview po siya ngayon, guys. So, kinuha lang po niya yung requirements niya. Guys, patapos na po kami at yan po yung kalakihan ng school nila. So, yan. Pupunta na po kami, guys, sa business office. Ayan. Business office, no? Hindi ba sa registrar? Ha? Business office. So, balik po na kami, guys, sa business office. So, ayan, guys, pauwi na po kami. And thank you for watching, guys. And keep safe, everyone.